So as a woman, your vagina is your powerhouse and must be kept clean. No, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn obìnrin, majority of women, they concentrate on cleaning their face, making up, using all this kind of pomade and cosmetics, and in the real sense of it, they are not clean. Yes, good face is not good vagina. So most of the time, when you use too much makeup, you use too much makeup and too much foundation, concealer, powder, etc. All those things are not part of it if your vagina smells. So please, we need to know that there is a particular odor for an healthy vagina, a acceptable odor, because there is no vagina that is odorless. You understand me? But there is an odor that is clean, that is good, that is acceptable for a vagina. So even as we go in this lesson, we are going to talk about it. So I said vagina is a home of millions of lactobacillus, which is bacteria that produce lactic acid and maintain the pH of vagina. That means that vagina contains a lot of bacteria, and those bacteria are there for protection. That is the reason why we have pubic hair. You see that all part of our body, there are some special parts that contains that God allows hair to grow therein in order to protect the microorganisms, the microbial load of that place. Therefore, vagina is a home of lactobacillus. That is, lactobacillus is example of bacteria, and those bacteria are there to maintain the pH. Though we know that vagina is self-cleansing, but lo and behold, it is inside that is self-cleansing. Inú daman sọ pé vagina wa self-cleansing, ó máa ń cleanse ara. Inú long ló wà self-cleansing. It is inside that is self-cleansing. The outside where you have the labium and labium majora is not self-cleansing. Please help me press like and love. Àwọn tani bí labia méjèèjì ni ó wà self-cleansing. Èrí máa ń sá pamọ́ síbẹ̀. So even as much as we say vagina is self-cleansing, it is inside, and the reason why it is self-cleansing is because of the changes in pH due to the state of a woman. Nígbà míì, if a woman is ovulating, sometimes if a woman is ovulating, the pH changes to alkaline. You understand? So when we were discussing how to have sex and have a male child, we said when a woman ovulates, her vaginal fluid is alkaline, and so if she is able to do sex at that time, that the vagina, the alkaline nature of the vaginal fluid will aid the movement of Y chromosome that can make her to be give her the chances of having a male child. So because of the fact that pH of vagina changes, that's why we are saying vagina is self-cleansing, but it is inside that is self-cleansing. The outside is not self-cleansing, so you have to wash. So we are saying healthy vaginal fluid tastes salty. It tastes salty, ironing, sharp, and varies with individual. We pé vaginal fluid tó bá wà healthy, pé ó máa ń taste salty, pé téèyàn bá fi sẹ́nu, ó máa ń taste bí iyọ̀, ó máa ń sharp, and at times it smells like iron, bí irin. So when you come to a stage whereby you are perceiving a smell of spoiled fish, smelly decay organism, bí pé nǹkan kú bóyá kú síbì kan, that is a red flag. That is a red flag. The normal odor of healthy vagina should be ironing, irony, irony, sharp when you put it in your mouth, and it varies with individual. So here we are advised to take pineapple. Pineapple is good. It helps to maintain a healthy vaginal fluid. Please help me like, love, and share. I have about 65 people here. Please help me press like and love. So we said that apart from that, prostatic acid phosphate, that is PSA, is also found in vaginal fluid. Prostatic acid phosphate. All those things are meant to maintain the health of vagina, to maintain vaginal health. So now we are saying don't wash with soap because it kills bacteria. We all have heard that that they normally tell us that we should not wash our vagina with soap. Yes, if you wash with soap, that soap will kill all the lactobacillus, all those bacteria that are there to protect you, to maintain healthy vaginal fluid. The soap you are using to wash will kill all of them. So that's why we are saying wash with ordinary water. When you are taking your bath, the foam of the soap on your body, by the time you rinse, you wash down, you shower down, the little foam can go to your vagina, whereby you bend down and you wash out. You understand? So the bacteria are also probiotic and they help in digestion. That's why we are saying that healthy vaginal fluid is edible. If a woman is healthy, she's not having any infection, she's not the fluid that will be coming from her vagina is healthy for those who can take it. You understand? Thank you so much, sir. Mr. Peter, the Lord bless you. So it increases so we are saying that when you have healthy vaginal fluid, it increases relationship satisfaction, because it helps your man to be able to play with you the way he likes. It will be free with you because you're not having any offensive odor. So cunnilingus gives you orgasm without the fear of pregnancy. But if somebody is having a vaginal odor, cunnilingus will not be possible. Cunnilingus is oral sex on the woman. You understand? Now let's go to the causes of vaginal odor. That is just a kind of preamble for us to know that a vagina is our powerhouse and the fluid must be healthy. One of the causes, or the most, let me say, the most important cause or paramount cause, or what causes 80% of vaginal odor is poor hygiene. Poor hygiene. A lot of women, àwọn obìnrin mi dọ̀tí láyé, wọ́n gbọ́n paradise. Ẹlòmíì bá tọ̀ kò ní tàǹbà, ẹlòmíì bá yàgbẹ́ kò ní, ó kàn máa fi tíṣù nùdí ni. As obìnrin, in fact kò dìgbà tó bá tọ̀ gan kó tó tàǹbà. Mr. Akintayo Lanre, thank you so much, sir. Kò dìgbà tó bá tọ̀ kó tó tàǹbà as obìnrin. Tó bá ti jókòó pẹ́ for like 2-3 hours. Tó ti rí tó kò nídìí kó ṣe bó mọ̀ bóyá o squeeze àbó o squeeze, o gbúdọ̀ lọ tábà. Tó bá dẹ̀ jáde as obìnrin, o ní láti kan pátá mọ́dì. Obìnrin mi àwọ̀ pátá láti àárọ̀ títí tílé àfiṣú, pátá kan ló máa wọ̀ throughout the whole day. So poor hygiene ó máa ń fa vaginal odor, ó máa ń mú kí òbò obìnrin rùn, ó máa ń mú kí ojú ara obìnrin rùn. Wash your vagina with ordinary water every time. Every time tó bá jáde lọ sọ́jà tó dé, gbogbo àágùn tó ti làágùn yẹn, bọ́ aṣọ ẹ, bọ́ pátá ẹ, wẹ̀ kó o shower, kó fọ gbogbo abẹ́ ẹ kó tó di pé o lọ kitchen láti dáná. Gbogbo àágùn tẹ́mọ̀ làágùn bàlàbàlà yẹn ó máa ń cause vaginal odor. Then under poor hygiene yẹn náà, ibẹ̀ láti rí changing of pant set. As obìnrin tó bá ti ra set of pants kan, tí set of pants yẹn bá ti ń lò bí oṣù mẹ́ta oṣù mẹ́rin, lọ dànù kó ra new set. Ẹ jẹ́ ẹ bá mi like, ẹ má bá mi love, lọ ra new set of pátá. Tó bá fẹ́ dànù for security purpose, torí kẹ́nìkan mọ́ he da kerosene àbí petrol sí, dáná sun lẹ́yìn kùlé kó ra new set. Bá a ṣe ní nǹkan wọn tó Nàìjíríà iná ẹ̀sìn, bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sì fẹ́ ra dozen pants, ó sì rò 5,000 naira gan. Tó dán bá ó sì lè rí pátá kan 500 naira. Ẹlòmíì wọ pátá kan 5,000. Ṣùgbọ́n kò sí bí financial status yẹn ṣe rí, ó rí size yẹn, ó rí iye amount tán, ó rí pátá size yẹn. You can still see one pant of 500 naira. And if you are able to buy one pant 500, one dozen they can sell it 5,000. So tẹ́ bá ra àwọn pátá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ máa change set pátá. Nígbà míì tí pátá bá ti pẹ́ ńlé, ó máa ń harbor àwọn microorganism ni. Thank you so much, Mr. Evelyn. Ó máa ń harbor microorganism tó máa ń fa vaginal odor fún obìnrin. Then I say change your pant set, wash your vagina, cut your nails. Ṣé rí àwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n máa ń fix àwọn èékánná 3 inches yẹn, tẹ́ bá kíyèsí wọn sà, òbò wọn á máa rùn. Torí kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ fọ òbò pẹ̀lú èékánná ṣọ̀rọ̀ṣọ̀rọ̀. So má kun àtíkè kó fix èékánná kó wá ṣakọ. Èmi tí má ti ráwọn obìnrin tán máa tó bò wọ́n rùn, màá mọ̀. Because o lè fix the nails, you cannot fix 3 inches, 2 inches nails and tell me that you wash your vagina. Kò sí ni. Because àwọn lábíà méjèèjì tó yẹ kó fọ̀ jáde yẹn, kò sí ò lè fọ̀ pẹ̀lú èékánná ṣọ̀rọ̀ṣọ̀rọ̀ torí àwọn layers yẹn wà thin. So o ní fẹ́ wound ara ẹ pẹ̀lú èékánná. So ìwọ tó wá ti fix èékánná tó èékánná ẹ̀ dàbí 3 inches. Báwo lò bo ẹ ò ṣe ní rùn? So cut your nails. Gbogbo àwọn èékánná tẹ́ ń fix yẹn kọ́ ni nǹkan ló attract ọkùnrin. Kò sáǹfààní ẹni tó jú ẹ̀ fine tó bo ẹ̀ rùn tó fix èékánná tó bo ẹ̀ ò ṣe rí. So yẹn báwọn. So cut your nails if you want to clean your pubic, you want to clean your vagina.